Anything that gets people to think harder about their financial security and take some responsibility is a good thing. You must trust yourself more than you trust others. Pay attention to your inner voice. It will tell you if how and in what you are investing is right for you. If you're going down the street and you're going the wrong way, remember, God permits U-turns. When you give from the place of the heart, because it is the right thing to do, not the easy thing to do. If you're financially responsible, your children have a much better chance to grow up financially responsible. I am a big believer that orderliness begets wealth. People have got to learn, if they don't have cookies in the cookie jar, they can't eat cookies. Every financial worry you want to banish and financial dream you want to achieve comes from taking tiny steps today that put you on a path toward your goals. Opposites may attract, but I wouldn't put my money on a relationship of financial opposites. We tend to focus on assets and forget about debts. Financial security requires facing up to the big picture, assets minus debts. I simply want you to give to yourself as much as you give of yourself. By taking care of yourself financially, you will truly be able to take care of those you love. People first, then money, then things. If you have debt, I'm willing to bet that general clutter is a problem for you too. They got married, they got divorced, and half their money goes out the window. When you are grateful, when you can see what you have, you unlock blessings to flow in your life. A big part of financial freedom is having your heart and mind free from worry about the what-ifs of life. True generosity is an offering given freely and out of pure love. No strings attached, no expectations. Time and love are the most valuable possession you can share. Never co-sign alone. Once you have co-signed, you cannot get out of it, even on your deathbed. If a child, a spouse, a life partner, or a parent depends on you and your income, you need life insurance. The key to making money is to stay invested. If you hold on to your goals and dreams, you will get there. Money is such an amazing teacher. What you choose to do with your money shows whether you are truly powerful or powerless. So many financial dreams are thwarted by the failure to act upon good intentions. Sometimes poverty is the greatest gift you can ever be given. Sometimes loss is the key that leads you to gain. Happiness is not a luxury. It is a necessity. When we are happy, we are in the best possible place to be good to ourselves and those we love. Time is a key to building your financial security. If you're not staying on top of your money, you're putting your financial well-being at risk. Recast your current problems into proactive goals. Many people are in the dark when it comes to money, and I'm going to turn on the lights. Look everywhere you can to cut a little bit from your expenses. It will all add up to a meaningful sum. The only way you will ever permanently take control of your financial life is to dig deep and fix the root problem. There is nothing more beautiful than a confident woman. Focus on what you have. A wise woman knows how to summon her courage and do what is right, rather than what is easy. When someone chooses to value herself over the things she can buy, true transformation begins. Estate planning is an important and everlasting gift you can give your family, and setting up a smooth inheritance isn't as hard as you might think. No one's ever achieved financial freedom with a January resolution that's abandoned by February. Just because you can afford it doesn't mean you should buy it. Thoughtful financial planning can easily take a backseat to daily life. In all realms of life, it takes courage to stretch your limits, express your power, and fulfill your potential. It's no different in the financial realm. Owning a home is a keystone of wealth, both financial affluence and emotional security. It's impossible to map out a route to your destination if you don't know where you're starting from. When you're happy, you find pure joy in your life. There are no regrets in this state of happiness, and that's a goal worth striving for in all areas of your life.